So this is how you can unblock users on Roblox. So let's say you accidentally blocked someone, or you did block someone on purpose, but you want them back in your friends list, or you want to basically just unblock them. How do you do that? Let's go on ahead and tap on more at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then scroll down until we find settings. So here, you're going to want to tap on privacy, which is the third option from the top, and just wait for it to load because it does take a while, maybe about 5 seconds. Now, what you're going to want to do is tap on blocked users, which is the second least, but basically, as the name suggests, this is where your blocked users are located. As you can see, it says you have not blocked any users. I don't have anyone blocked because I don't really use this account. But basically, if you have any blocked users, you could find them here and then tap on unblock. There should be a big unblock button right next to their name, so it won't be that hard to find. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you find their username, all you have to do is just simply tap on the unblock button to unblock them, and you could even add them if you want to. Maybe it was an accident or maybe you made up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can unblock users on Roblox. Once again, settings, privacy, blocked users, and then tap on unblock on the specific person that you want to unblock. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.